So today we are doing an air-cooled, but there is a difference. This one is a three-phase, 12208. So we are replacing the old generator that they had in the building. As you can tell, this is about 50 years old. It's not functional anymore. We are changing the transfer switch and the generator. By the code, we have to have the generator outside, so we will install it outside. Transfer switch is going to stay in the same place, but we will replace it with a brand new Generac three-phase transfer switch. Yeah, again, this unit is air-cooled, but it's three-phase. This is the only air-cooled unit that Generac provides in air-cooled, 12208, and it's good for the buildings, big buildings like this, that they have three-phase. They're going to use it for the lights and the small emergency items during the power failure for the whole building. Yeah, we are going to show you more details, and I'm going to tell you more about the transfer switch and the generator later today. Okay, so this is the same transfer switch so you had a transfer switch here, but this is the brand new. It does the same job, but it's just brand new three-phase, and then we are gonna do the rewiring right here. Sound exact. And then this wire non, vous pouvez pas, c'est juste, c'est une transfer switch automatique. Donc il va fonctionner automatiquement. Pour faire le test, vous pouvez fermer celui-là, la génératrice va démarrer et donner le courant à ce panneau ici. So as you could tell, this base was pretty thick. It was 24 inches of concrete, and we had to make 1 inch hole 2 times and a ½ inch for the control wire. It was tough, but with the tools that we had, it made it easy to figure it out. Now the wires are passed. We did 1 extra hole for the gas technicians, so that when they come, they don't have any trouble, and they will pass the wire, their gas line to do the gas connection. Now the remaining part is doing the wires, connection of the wires, and then we will do the test afterwards. I'm going to show you here. There is a different. So as I said before, this is an air-cooled unit, but it's three-phase. So that's the only air-cooled unit that Generac has, which is three-phase. Pretty good for this size buildings. And they do have their elevator on it, some lights, emergency lights for the stairs and all those things, so that during the power failure, this is about 10th floor, if I don't make a mistake. And people are going to have peace of mind when there is a power failure. The logs here shows that it's a three-phase. The breaker here is different. So the connections here, the transfer switch, this is a different thing. Look, on this side is exactly the same as what we had on the other generators, but the wiring here is different. It has to be a three-phase wire. Transfer switch has to be three-phase, and it's not service rated. It has its own cutoff switch, and that's it. It's starting to rain, so we're gonna finish this and get out of here pretty quick.